channel and welcome to today's video. I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a happy new year. I did mention in my last video when I did the Mark IV Golf to the front end off, I did say I wouldn't be uploading another video until the engine comes out of that car. That was 2 weeks ago now. As you'd expect with Christmas and New Year, I took a bit of time off, didn't do anything with the cars, so I sort of making this video today because I want to cover a few things in regards to the TT, the plans with this. I know I briefly mentioned it in my very first video, but I thought I'd just refresh everyone's memory because this is relevant as to why I've got this and why I'm working on the Mark IV Golf. That will all sort of make sense in this video if it doesn't already. But at the moment I'm on my way to drop a few bits off, and then what I need to do is give the car a good clean. It's an absolute state, hasn't been cleaned in weeks, so I want to give it a good clean before I take it into the garage. This is probably going to be one of the last drives in this car, but I'll go into a little more detail and explanation into that shortly. And for those of you that don't know, I have created a Instagram account. It is Car Trader Diaries. I'll put a link in the description below. If you click that, it'll take you straight to the Instagram page. So yeah, be sure to check out the Instagram for little sneak peeks throughout the week. And don't forget, if you're liking the videos, don't forget to subscribe as well. What I want to know is, would you rather me just stick to the car videos, working on the cars, or would you like to see sort of car vlogs and just sort of mix it up a bit? Let me know in the poll. You'll see the little icon come up now, so click on that and make your vote. Let me know. Let me know in the comments as well. But yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to drop some bits off. Then I'm going to take this to get washed. I'm just going to stick it through one of them car wash places just to give it clean, because it's an eyesore to look at. Now, inevitably, this car will be broken. Now, what the plan is to, like I've said a few times, is to keep the engine out of this. This is a 3.2 V6 Quattro. I think it's about 250 brake. The plan is to take the engine out. I'm going to be putting this engine into my 25th anniversary, the Mark IV. This is DSG, as you can see. So I need to source a manual Mark IV Golf R32 gearbox because I'm not going to be running the DSG. And the rest of the car I'm going to be braking. What I am going to be keeping off the car is the wheels, because I'm going to get them refurbed. Now, as you see earlier, I had to pump one of the tyres up because one of the rims has a crack in it, so I need to get that repaired. I'll get that repaired when I get the tyres refurbed. These do have new budget tyres on. I will be using these wheels on the Mark IV Golf for sort of like winter runabout wheels. Right, so I need to drop some bits off now. When I come back, I'll walk you around the car, kind of a nice little industrial estate. I'm going to have a little drive by just to show you guys, and then we're going to go and get it washed. For the gold one, so I'm a bowler like that. I'm joking. I've signed up and they've given me a free winter essentials. It's like de-icer, screen wash, and a scraper. So all that's to do is give them my phone number. And that's what I've gone for. I've gone for the, let's see that, gold one. You see high pressure wheel seal wash, foam, high pressure sides, under the chassis, wax, gloss polish and dry. Now I wanted the under chassis just because when I come to mucking about with this car, it's just a bit cleaner, so it's only a couple of quid more. So yeah, we're just waiting now to get into the car wash there. I've never been in one of these car washes before. Third in queue anyway. Myself a little chocolate bar, little drink, got my number, ready to go into the car wash, and not forgetting my winter essentials. So today is a good day. For £1,800 from Copart. I've been driving it for, I'd say, a good 4 months now. To buy one of these cars, you're probably looking about £3.5 to £4 grand. And to buy the engine alone with the running gear, I'd say it's probably around 1,400 quid. So for the sakes of £400 or £500 more, I've bought the whole car. So the bits that I'm not going to be keeping will be sold. I think the front bumper alone, they go for sort of £300. Xenons maybe 200 quid. So there we have it. That's the plan for the Audi TT. I've broken one of these before and pretty much everything's sold off of it, so I'm hoping to make a good chunk of my money back. So the engine out of this is going to be going into the Mark IV. I'm going to be keeping the wheels, going to be keeping the brake set up on the front and the rears. Everything else is going to be going. So if any of you guys are interested in any parts, let me know. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. It's Car Trader Diaries. I'll put a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Peace.